Okay, I've got a problem. I've got to show how the energy is transformed in a light bulb. Now, I do this by drawing a Sankey diagram. Now, Sankey diagrams show how the energy is being transformed by using arrows where the thickness of the arrow represents how much energy there is being transformed into that type, or how much energy is going in. Now, the problem I've been given is a 100-watt light bulb, which means it uses 100 joules. Okay, so I'll put in my light bulb. Oops, a little bit more. Now, the arrow that goes in has got to represent 100 joules of electrical energy. So, if I write that on, 100 joules electric. Now, a reasonable scale to choose would be that 1 centimetre square, this paper is 1 centimetre squares, and so 1 centimetre squares is 10 joules. And so I have to draw on 100 joules worth, which is going to mean 10 centimetres. Okay, so I measure with the ruler 10 centimetres down, and that is going to represent 100 joules. Okie dokie, that's the arrow going in. Now you can show it as an arrow if you like. That's up to you. It'll do as a solid block. Now, the light doesn't give out 100 joules of light. It gives out 10 joules of light in this case, and 90 joules of heat. And so what I need to do is divide up this arrow on the other side, but I'm going to draw just a little bit of it to begin with, so that I can show the division point. I'm going to carry it through. That's still the amount of energy that's going to come out. Energy can't be made or destroyed. It has to go through the light bulb and come out the other side. Now, each of these centimetre squares equals 10 joules of energy. And so in this case it's simple. To represent 10 joules of heat, all I've got to do is take 1 centimetre square. So that can then become an arrow leading off the top, representing the light energy. And if you want to mark it on there, light energy. Now, the rest of the energy becomes heat, and so therefore you can separate off the rest of the energy, representing 90 joules, like so, to become a arrow the same as the other. Decent name for heat, scientific thermal. Okay, that's how to show how much energy becomes transformed into different types using a Sankey diagram.